Hi, friends. How are you? It's story time. Let's sing our story time song, okay? It's time for a story. It's time for a story. Open up, open up. It's time for our story. It's time for our story. Open up, open up. All right, today we're reading a new story. Can you tell me what you think this story is about? Go ahead, tell me what you think it's about. Look at the front cover, look at the pictures. If you can read the words, look at the words and read the title. Yes, this book is about, well, you think it's about soccer, don't you? Well, it's going to talk about soccer, but it's talking about balls. And the title is Have a Ball. Have a Ball. That's the title, okay? And the author is Nancy Noel Williams. Have a ball. Ooh, look at that big ball. It's nice. Have a ball. What is a ball? What is a ball, friends? Can you tell me? What do you think a ball is? What kind of ball is that? That's a beach ball, you're right. You might think that balls are smooth and round, but there are many different kinds of balls. Let's turn the pages to read all about them. What are balls made of? A ball may be made of rubber or plastic. It may be made of metal or glass. Balls can be soft and fluffy. They can even be made of food. What kind of food is that? Look at his bowl. He's eating a salad. What do you think that is? Sorry, friends. It's a tomato. It's a cherry tomato. And that's a type of food. And it looks like a ball. What is inside a ball? What's inside of a ball? Basketballs, soccer balls, and beach balls have air inside. They are hollow. So a ball that has air inside is a hollow ball. Baseballs, marbles, and bowling balls have no space for air inside. They are solid. So a ball that you can fill up with air is hollow. A ball that you cannot put air in is a solid ball. Okay? What can you do with a ball? What can we do with balls, friends? Tell Miss Charles. What's something you can do with a ball? You can bounce a ball, right? Throw a ball. Yes, you're absolutely right. You can make a ball bounce and roll. You can throw or kick a ball. You can toss it up high and catch it. You can run with the ball, try to juggle some balls. You can even toss a ball and let your dog bring it back. Have you ever thrown a play catch with your doggy? See the little boy's throwing the ball and his doggy is bringing it back. Which balls bounce? Do you know which balls bounce? Do basketballs bounce? Mm-hmm. Do marbles bounce? Mm-mm. Do bowling balls bounce? No. Do footballs bounce? No. Beach balls bounce over the sand. Soccer balls bounce on the grass and into the net. Bounce that volleyball over the net. Up, down, bounce like that. Balls like to bounce. Which balls are big and heavy? Do you know which balls are big and heavy? What type of balls are those, friends? I see that soccer ball, but what are these? Let's find out. Rolling a Roll a bowling ball with all of your might. It is heavy. A cannonball can be big or little, but it is always heavy. So there's a cannonball and bowling balls. Which balls are little? Which balls are light? Marbles and golf balls are solid little balls. Ping pong balls are hollow little balls. You can play hard with them. Put a cotton ball in your hand. It is soft and light. Ask your parents if they have cotton balls that you can touch. He made a ball out of a sun. Which balls can you eat? When you want a round snack, have a melon ball or an orange. Try a cheese ball or a popcorn ball. Still hungry? Have a meatball or a matzo ball. So those are different types of balls that you can eat. Those meatballs look delicious. Can you see them? And that orange and the melon balls. What balls are used in sports? We can kick big soccer balls. We can hit baseballs, tennis balls, golf balls, and ping pong balls. We can play croquet too. Footballs are different. They got pointy ends. We love to play sports with balls. Which balls are used in work? So you see them playing basketball. Friends, did you know that balls can be used in work? That's a cement mixer. We read about that in the building study. Let's see what type of balls are used in work. Little balls have jobs in tiny places. You might find them inside your ballpoint pen. Wrecking balls are big and heavy. They crush things. So that's a wrecking ball. Have you seen one of those before? Up in the sky, a wrecking ball. Round and round goes the ball. It can bounce or roll or fly in the air. You can hit it, push it, kick it, or catch it. Time to play or time to work is always time to have a ball. So you see the little boy, he's playing baseball, and the little boy down there is playing softball. The end. So, friends, the questions that you can answer for your parents, the first question is, what type of balls were in the book? Can you tell your parents 3 balls that we saw in the book? Tell mommy and daddy right now. 3 balls that I saw in the story were, okay. Now, the next question, what are balls that are food? We read about different types of balls that are food. So tell your parents, a ball that is a food is, okay? And the last question, which balls bounce? Do you remember which balls bounce? Do solid balls bounce or do hollow balls bounce? Tell your parents which balls bounce. All right, friends, I hope that you enjoyed the story and that you found out a lot of information about balls. I'll see you next time. Bye.